Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza, and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, December 1st. And also greetings from Auckland, New Zealand. Another wonderful city, beautiful city, right on the water, great spot to be. Looking forward to being here for the next couple days. Now let's take a look at what's happening in these markets. Yesterday we were looking for buyers to come back in. We see that in the NASDAQ market. In fact, there was a sell point here in the NASDAQ market, which reached magnitude objective, and then it was also a sell point at 1770. We had a buy point in here at 1760. We can see yesterday it traded through that range, and that would have taken out that sell point. That would be the concept that it'd be 10 ticks or $200. Now, right, and so what we're looking for right now is actually for all these indices is that we're looking for follow through. That's the issue here, and that's what we want to see today. Today's an important day. We want to see buyers continuing. We're seeing the evidence that what we're seeing right now is as the Asia, New Zealand, Australia time zone is winding down here, we can see these buyers kind of coming back into this market. This represents Europe also. Europe is open for the last few hours, and we're seeing some of that effect coming into this market. Now, the mid caps also traded back through from that sell point down to that buy point. And in that market, that would have been $200 also. 2 points is a magnitude of move. And again, we're looking for follow through in each one of these currencies that we're looking at. Now, if we're looking for follow through in these, as I said currencies, if we're looking for follow throughs in the stock indices, now what about those currencies? Let's take a look at that. Same issue. What are we looking for? We're looking for the euro to continue stronger, Swissy to do the same, Japanese yen, we're looking for that to back off. It has traded lower in this session, coming up to today's session here, but it's a little bouncy here. But we're looking, so it means it reached magnitude objective, and right now we're looking for weakness in that market. But the Aussie dollar, we're looking for strength in. British pound, we're looking for continued movement in there. And our friend, the Canadian dollar, is also right back towards these swing highs. Nice, healthy behavior so far. So the key is follow through in this session that's coming up here. Let's take a look at those interest rates. In the short end of the curve, this has also initiated a long position. The notes, right now we're looking for this market to back off. It should accelerate if we can get below these lows. That's what we're looking for in that market. And the same thing for bonds. We want these sellers to come back into this market as well. So we're looking for weakness in those in the longer midterm to longer term part of the yield curve. We're looking for buyers to come in on the short end, that 90-day paper. In the metals markets, follow through is also the key here. We see gold knocking on the door to new heights. We're looking for follow through in that market today. Same thing for silver. Remember, this is a part of the session that's already been trading so far. So we're looking at Asia, and you're looking at Europe when you look at this movement. And what do we need to see happening? If we're really going to see this follow through in silver, we want to close above 1900. Copper, same thing. We need that 320 out. We need to close above that, but we are looking for follow through, and we want to see it happen today. In the energy market, same issue. Here's our friend, Mr. Crude Oil, and that we need to see getting up and get going here with that market. And the same thing here for the NASDAQ market. Natural gas market. This market also, we want to see, are these sellers still in play? And right now we're at the bottom of a benchmark candle. This would have initiated a short position, and I'd be very cautious of that market on the short side. We're at a level that we could easily find buyers in that market. And when it comes to the grains, beans, we're looking for follow through. Corn, we're looking for follow through. Wheat, we're looking for follow through. All these markets, the idea would be to buy the break in these sessions today. So we're looking for kind of an update in a lot of different markets, aren't we? And we're going to find out in a few hours if indeed we're going to start seeing that follow through. It should happen within the first 2 hours of the day sessions for these markets. Well, this concludes today's market studies. Hope you have a good day. Thank you for sharing part of it with me. Looking forward to being with you again tomorrow. And in the meantime, take care.